What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be starting off my low manipulation hairstyle series. This series is to show you all some of my favorite hairstyles that I like to do when I want to keep my hands out of my hair. Now, a lot of these styles are going to be without extensions, and I just want to show you some versatility when it comes to how you can rock your natural hair and keep your hands out of it so that you can retain length. My hair is freshly cleansed and deep conditioned. I'm going to leave a link to the previous video so you guys can check out which products that I use. So I've mentioned this a few videos ago, but a lot of the times when I'm not filming or doing any type of content, my hair stays in my bonnet. So I like to keep my hair in the bonnet just to keep my hands out of it, but I make sure underneath the bonnet I have something going on in terms of a protective style. So most of the times I'll do twists, but I like to do these two braids that I'm going to show you. And yeah, I just thought you guys would want to see some ways that you can sport your natural hair but without doing too much manipulation. And for this styling, I'm not going to be using any combs. I'm just going to finger detangle. But for the two braids, I like to work in subsections to make sure that each section is very well moisturized. Because I'm going to leave my hair in there for a few days, I want to make sure that all the products get into my strands. So I'm going to be starting off in the back, and in my water bottle I have some warm water. Make sure you check out my 5 tips for low porosity hair video, because I talk about why it's important to have a water bottle as well as why I like to use warm water. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this section. After you spray your hair with water, make sure that you work it through. And I'm going to take some of the Knot Sauce Coil Detangler. I really enjoy this product. I talked about it in my Black Friday suggestions, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But I just use a generous amount and I'm working it through my hair. This product has a lot of slip and it gives me some great definition. And now I'm going to apply some of this Burdock Root Buttercream. It's just a really nice cream. The consistency is on point. I like that it's not too thick and it's not too watery. So I'm just gonna use about this much. And I'm also doing a hair growth challenge on my channel, and I thought this series would come in handy if you're looking for inspiration for different type of protective styles that don't require extensions. So yeah, now that my hair is moisturized with the leave-in and the styling cream, I'm just going to set it aside and work on the next section. If you're interested in the hair growth challenge, definitely check out my Bloom hair growth video. I'm going to leave that in the cards also. But basically I'm doing a 6-month hair growth challenge just to see how much length I can retain and just to keep my hair healthy. So I'm coming a little bit closer to show you how I gather my hair to braid. But yeah, because I'm not using a comb, I'm just smoothing everything with my fingers. And now I'm trying to decide where to start the braid. So I'm just gathering my hair behind my ears. I have one section here, and then in the back, I'm going to turn this one section into 2 so that I have 3. All right, so now that you have your 3 sections, gather the 2 sections in the back, hold them between your index finger and your middle finger, and grab this section and hold it between your other fingers here and start braiding. Make sure that you braid a little firm when you first start so that the braid can hold. And as you're braiding, make sure you smooth the product down so that your hair can be thoroughly moisturized. Right, so our braid is all done. I'm just going to show you guys how it's looking. You can't really see it too well because the product hasn't dried yet. But yeah, eventually this will dry and it will look very nice and moisturized. So yeah, don't be alarmed if right away you still see product there. It will dry over time and it will dry clear. So now that I'm done with this section, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it all over again on this side. So I'm done with my braids and this is how they are looking. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how my hair looks when it's all dry. Also, I'm going to show you some of the ways that you can wear this hairstyle so that you don't have to unbraid it. But yeah, my hair feels moisturized and it's protected and my ends are okay, and I'm just going to let this air dry, and then like I said, I'm gonna come back and show you some of the styles that you can do with this hair. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I wanted to come on and show you guys how my braids are looking. The products have definitely dried clear and all that is left is moisturized hair. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a couple of ways that you can wear this style. And of course, the first style that you can do is just leave your hair as is. This next style is one you can do if you want to keep your hair out of the way. And basically, we're just going to tie our hair using a satin scrunchie. And yeah, we're just going to do like a low bun. And this makes it easy for you to just pull your hair back so that it's not all in the way. So the next style we're going to do, we're gonna put on our cap and leave our hair down. So this one would be for if you're going to be running some errands and you don't wanna just go out with your hair like this. I got this visor from the Melanin Hair Care website. Let's say if you just wanted to go work out or just run some errands, you just throw this on and you are all set. Your hair is moisturized and protected and out of the way. So you can also put your hair in a low bun like I just showed you for the second style. But if you also want to just leave your hair as is, this is another way to go. I just placed the braid up here and I attached 2 bobby pins. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to take this braid and flip it up here. And you can add more bobby pins if you want to do like designs or anything, but I just kept it simple. So this is another option when it comes to styling if you want to have your hand out of your hair and your ends tucked away. And like I said, you can do more bobby pins if you'd like, if you want to do designs or anything, but I'm just keeping it simple and just doing 2 bobby pins to make sure that the braids are secured. So we're just going to take the braids and do the same thing and attach about 2 bobby pins to each side so that it's secured. So this is another style that you can do. I just showed you guys the back, and similarly to the style I just did, you can play around with the bobby pins and do designs, but I just wanted to keep it simple. All right, y'all, so that's it for this little styling portion. I just wanted to give you some ideas of how you can wear this protective style if you're going out, if you want to just keep your hands out of your hair, but just make it look a little bit more put together. So let me know what you guys think of this video, if you would try out this little protective style here, and if you are interested in seeing more hairstyles for this series, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.